bit of a peculiar video to be doing right now, but I just kind of want to bring you all in on the process. So there's been so many of you who have been asking me questions about my pendulum and pendulum checking. There's been a lot of curiosity. There's been people who have spontaneously started doing it, which is just so totally fantastic. And I started thinking about this idea of like, maybe I should do like a little mini workshop video thing. And everybody's been going like, yeah, you really need to do that. And here's the funny thing. I have been using my pendulum as a spiritual tool, as a spiritual device in the background, very secret, in private, not really thinking it's anything special at all. I mean, I have had this like buried for years, but I use a pendulum so much, it's like an added appendage to me. Like I really can't walk around my day and function without checking in with my pendulum on a few things. And oh my God, it has saved me so much. It's saved me time. It's saved me money. It's saved me hassles. It's helped me focus. It's helped me make really great decisions along my path, especially when I was doubting myself. And so my pendulum has always been there in the background, and it has just been this wildest thing that, you know, on a whim during a presidential contest, so to speak, I thought, hey, maybe I'll try this and bring it out and just, I don't know, just kind of share it with people for kicks and grins. And it turned out to be like incredibly popular, and that was rather shocking. And then as I've continued to use it, a lot of you have actually kind of relied on it. And so it literally, the pendulum videos that I've done for you guys, and talking about the pendulum and how you have taken to it, it's literally changed my perception of my relationship and my work with a pendulum. It's completely changed it, because to me, it was this quirky, weird, funny thing that I did that I like kept as a secret that I really wouldn't share with people, because it was just one more thing that crazy Dana was doing, right? And I didn't need any more of that stigma. So I've just like kind of like kept it to myself as like my little private Idaho pendulum checking space. And then, you know, boom, we kind of blew all that wide open. And so, yeah, this is my pre-video before I go in and make a mini workshop for you guys with just all the basics that I know about really quality pendulum checking work. I'm going to go do that and make that, and then I'm going to come back and tell you about it. But I just wanted to say before I head in and do that, it's like, woohoo, we're going to do this. All right, here I go. Oh my God, I just did about an hour solid of steady stream of consciousness about everything that I know about pendulums and pendulum checking and what you can do, and stories and tips and very practical things, and the steps along the way of what you need to do to begin to do some really great, solid, dowsing pendulum checking work on your own. I've put this all together. And so, yeah, I'm going to get off of here and go do editing and producing and getting it all set up. And I can't wait for you all to take a look at it. So here's the deal. Yeah, I probably got the banners going across the screen at this point. Like, click through into my link tree, onto my website, pick it up, and just to make sure you've got all the solid information you need to be working with to do your best pendulum work, to have your best informational outcomes for yourself. All right. So, yep. There's the banner. Click through, enjoy, keep me posted, and I will see you in the next video.